There's no need to go to a salon and spend a fortune on treatments for having smooth nails. So watch now and learn how easy it is to have beautiful nails at home. This video will show you how to get smooth nails naturally, with ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. So what are the benefits of having smooth nails? 1. Healthier nails. Many people believe that there is something wrong with having smooth nails, but this couldn't be further from the truth. Having smooth nails allows your nails to grow faster, irrespective of whether you're taking good care of them. 2. Your nails last longer. Nails are made up of a lot of calcium, so having smooth nails will also mean that they'll last longer. 3. Stronger nails. With smoother nails, you'll be able to do more with your hands without worrying about breaking them. 4. They're easier to manage. Having smooth nails will make it easier for you to manage your nail polish, cuticles, and everything. 5. You'll look younger and more beautiful. If you want to look and feel younger, having smoother nails is a great way. So what causes nails to be rough? Have you got stiff, unkempt nails that bother you? There are several reasons why your nails can be rough and gnarly. It's perfectly normal to have broken nails in the winter, but it can become a problem when they're not healing properly. Here are a few common reasons why your nails can be rough. 1. You're using nail polish that's too thick and chunky. Different nail polish manufacturers have different formulas for their nail polishes. Some are made with more filler than others, and some are more thick and chunky, which can lead to your nails being rough. Try switching brands and see if that helps the problem. 2. You're not moisturizing your nails well enough. Your skin and nails need moisture, especially in the winter. If you're not moisturizing them properly, it can lead to dry, brittle nails. Try applying moisturizer to your nails every night before bed. 3. You're using the wrong nail polish remover. If you're using a home nail polish remover that contains acetone, you're potentially damaging your nails and skin. Acetone is a harsh solvent that can harm your skin and nails, so it's best to use removers that contain ethyl acetate or alcohol. 4. You're wearing nail polish too long. Some nail polishes are more toxic than others. Some can contain many heavy metals, which can be absorbed into the skin. If you're wearing nail polish for too long without washing your hands or changing it, this could lead to skin irritation, cell damage, and even cancer. So try not to wear nail polish for more than 3 days in a row. 5. You file your nails too short. Some people prefer to file their nails down, but this can lead to a thicker cuticle, which is more prone to infection. A clean and trimmed nail bed will help avoid infection and breakages. 6. You're wearing too much adhesive or polish on your nails. If you wear a lot of nail polish, this could cause skin irritation and contamination. Always remove any nail polish from your hands before bed or when you go to sleep to avoid contaminating the rest of your body. So how can you exfoliate your nails? To remove dead skin from your nails, you can use a pumice stone or exfoliating glove. Follow these steps. 1. Warm up your hands by rubbing them together for a few minutes. 2. Apply lotion to your nails and rub it in until it is absorbed. 3. Start with the tips of your nails and work down the nail, starting at the tip, moving towards your cuticle. 4. Continue to do this until the dead skin is gone. What about nail infections? The easiest way to get rid of nail infections is to avoid foods that cause it. It is a fungal infection that affects the nails of the fingers and toes. The main culprits are cheese, alcohol, and sugar. These foods contribute to the formation of the infections. As a result, people who eat these foods are more likely to develop nail fungus or infections. So it's a good idea to avoid them when you have this problem. You should avoid foods that contain a lot of sugar. Sugar is known to be a harmful ingredient for nails. On the other hand, some foods can help you deal with nail incisions. Some foods that contain a lot of vitamin B6 can help you treat nail fungus. These include spinach, sweet potato, and strawberries. Vitamin B6 is also found in eggs. You can incorporate these foods into your diet to help you maintain healthy nails. Another food that can help you treat nail fungus is garlic. This ingredient is known to kill the infection-causing fungus on your nails. Moisturizing your nails is one of the most critical steps to maintaining healthy nails. If you fail to do this, your nails will be prone to breakage and peeling. However, you should know that moisturizing your nails can be done in many ways. You can moisturize your nails with ointments and creams. You should also use olive oil regularly to help keep your nails soft and supple. You can also dampen your nails by doing their essential housework. The more you wash your hands, the better. In addition, washing your face and body will also help keep your nails moisturized. Moisturizing your nails is an excellent way to reduce the risk of nail fungus and other skin problems. The best thing about moisturizing your nails is that it does not take much time. You can do it in the morning before leaving for work or school. You can also do it before leaving home. Besides, you will be able to enjoy better-looking nails as well. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on, do you have vertical ridges on your nails? Thanks for watching and bye for now.